My name is ENOSHI. What I would like to share with you about a mini course on using Adobe Photoshop. The following are the mini course of Adobe Photoshop. Course overview. This course is designed to introduce you fundamental of Adobe Photoshop. We will learn essential technique for image editing, retouching, and digital art. Course objective. By the end of this course, you will be able to create stunning visual for various purpose and design to print in media, and also using other activities. Key topics on using Adobe Photoshop. First of all, you should know about basics of Adobe Photoshop. Introduction to Adobe Photoshop. What is the Photoshop? What it uses is zooming, panning, scrolling, using navigators and info panels, basic image editing, opening and saving image, cropping, resizing and rotating image, adjusting brightness, contrast, and color balance. Also, you should learn about layers and masks, selection tools and technique, filter and effect, text and typography, color correlation, grading, saving and exporting image. The component resources that you can use to guide you. First of all, it is Adobe Photoshop user guide, online tutorials and resources like Adobe official tutorials, YouTube channels, relevant books on digital design and image editing. After knowing about Adobe Photoshop mini course, I can show you interface of Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop to look like this. First of all, there is a menu bar, there is what we call toolbar. Also there is layer panel, properties panel, adjustment panel, library. Also there is the color panel, swatches panel, gradient, pattern, also, and so on. Also, you know about different tools that are used. When you talk about different tools, to include, that is when you call move tool, when you want to move object from one place to another. Also called rectangle tool, ellipse tool, single, and so on. Also we call lasso tool, object selection tool, crop tool, also called ever drop tool, and so on, spot hang tool, and other brush tools, and other history brush tool, when you call lasso tool, gradient, text tool, when you want type, when you call about rectangle ellipse. Also there is zoom tools. This one it used when you want to save document, and so on, when you want to export. Also this one when you want to edit. Also you can customize window for editing. For example, there is swatching, timeline, properties panel, when you want to put, when in cases they are not present at the interface. Also there is document window. It is a place where different activity for editing are used for manipulation and so on. I think in the next video we'll learn about more in a video in Photoshop, or what we call image editing. Thank you for listening.